In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of all devices in PayPal. If you want to make sure your PayPal account is no longer signed in on other phones, tablets, or computers, this is a quick and useful security step. It can help if you signed in on a shared device, replaced an old phone, or just want extra peace of mind. To begin, open PayPal and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your account homepage, look toward the top area of the screen for the gear icon. This is the settings button. Go ahead and click that to open your account settings. After the settings page loads, you'll see different sections related to your profile and account preferences. From there, click on Security. This section is where PayPal keeps important login and protection options. So if you're updating anything related to account access, this is usually the right place to be. Inside the security section, look for the option labeled Auto Login. Click on that to continue. Auto Login is tied to devices that may be remembering your sign-in, so this is the area that lets you manage where your account may still be active. Once you open Auto Login, you should see the option to log out of all devices. Click that option. This will sign your PayPal account out from devices where Auto Login is active, which is especially helpful if you no longer have access to a device or simply want to reset account access across the board. After you do this, some devices may require you to sign in again the next time you use PayPal. That's completely normal, and it's actually the point of the process. It helps ensure that only devices you currently trust stay connected to your account. As a general tip, after logging out of all devices, it's a good idea to review your security settings regularly. Make sure your password is strong and unique, and if PayPal offers extra verification features in your region, consider enabling them for added protection. Even small account security habits can make a big difference. And that's it. To log out of all devices in PayPal, open the gear icon for settings, go to security, select auto login, and then click log out of all devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.